Today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent burn-in on your LG QNED80. Now, one of the great things about these newer OLED TVs that LG has made is that they created a setting in here to help prevent burn-in, and I'm going to show you guys how to make sure that that is turned on and to protect your investment on your expensive LG TV. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your remote control. All right, so on your remote control here, there's a gear icon. Go ahead and press that. That's your settings. All right, so once you have that up, you're going to go down to all settings and click on all settings. Okay, over here on the very bottom you'll see where it says support. You'll click on that. All right, and then over here where it says OLED screensaver, you're going to go ahead and click on that. All right here, this second icon, they got pixel cleaning, screen move. But that screen move right there says the screen moves little by little at regular intervals, preventing the screen from occurring problem when a TV is on for a long period of time, which means creating a burn-in. So make sure that that setting is turned on. So like right there turns it off, just click on it and that turns it on. And that'll help to prevent any kind of burn-in and any chance of ruining your OLED TV. This video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.